Today, we're diving into Marvell Technology's latest performance. Have you checked out their stock trends recently?
I have. Their stock has been pretty volatile. Last week, it dipped, but now it's showing some recovery. What do you think is driving these swings?
A big part seems to be earnings reports and investor expectations. Their latest quarterly numbers were decent, but not exactly mind-blowing.
True, and competition in the semiconductor industry is fierce. Do you think Marvell's focus on data centers and 5G gives them an edge?
It certainly helps. Data infrastructure is booming, and Marvell's partnerships with cloud companies are smart moves, but margins are still a concern.
Margins are tight everywhere, though. I read they're investing heavily in AI chips. Could that open new revenue streams?
Possibly, but it'll take time. The AI chip race is crowded, with giants like Nvidia leading. Marvell needs to differentiate itself.
Speaking of differentiation, have you noticed how they're expanding into automotive chips? That's an interesting pivot.
Definitely. The auto industry's demand for smart chips is exploding. But do you think Marvell can compete with established suppliers there?
It won't be easy, but their tech background is solid. Plus, diversifying beyond traditional markets could stabilize their revenue.
Agreed. I'm curious about their financials. Their PE ratio is high compared to peers. Does that worry you?
A bit. It suggests high investor expectations. If growth stalls, the stock could drop. But if their bets pay off, there's room to climb.
Investors seem cautiously optimistic. The analyst ratings are mostly buy, but there's some hesitation.
That's understandable. With tech stocks, sentiment shifts fast. Remember what happened to other chip makers last year?
Absolutely. It was a roller coaster. Do you think Marvell's current valuation reflects its true potential?
Hard to say. Markets often price in future growth, maybe even too much optimism. Only time will tell if Marvell delivers.
For now, watching their next earnings report will be key. It could really set the tone for the rest of the year.
And I'll be interested to see how their new products perform. The semiconductor world never stands still.
Exactly. So, for listeners thinking about Marvell, what's your advice?
Stay informed, keep an eye on industry trends, and don't put all your chips on one company. Pun intended.
Wise words. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Let's see where Marvell heads next.